How to export high quality videos from Filto app. First of all, open the Filto app and complete your video editing as you normally would. Once you are satisfied with your edits, tap the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen. Filto will automatically begin exporting your video in high quality. You don't need to choose resolution or frame rate manually. The app handles everything for you, ensuring your video looks sharp, smooth, and professional. The export process may take a few seconds depending on the length and effects used in your video. Make sure you don't close the app or lock your screen during this time to avoid interruptions. After the export is complete, your video will be saved directly to your device gallery, ready to be shared on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Now you know how to export high quality videos from the Filto app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.